With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so let's discuss the question. The question here says all of the following pairs of hormones are antagonist except. So what from the given options, many of them are hormones which are antagonist in nature, but except one. So we have to choose which one is not antagonist in nature. Alright, now first when we talk about antagonist, the question is antagonist. So alright, so what is antagonist? So what are antagonists? Antagonists are those which work opposite each other. Alright, like if one's function is to do something, the other function will be to counteract it. So working opposite each other, that's a function of antagonist, and that is called as antagonist substances or antagonist objects. Alright, work opposite each other. Now when we're talking about specifically being hormones being antagonist, what will hormones do? Hormones being antagonist means that one hormones having or the hormones having opposite effect on the body, opposite effect on the body. So the two hormones or the two hormones which will have opposite effect, that is, if for example one is increasing the level of something, the other hormone will be decreasing the level of it. So these are counteracting each other. So such a pair of hormones are called as hormones which are antagonist. All right, now if we take an example of hormones being antagonist, for example if we take insulin and glucagon, these are examples of antagonist hormones. All right, so for example insulin, what does insulin do? Insulin maintains the blood glucose level by insulin maintains the blood glucose level by decreasing it. All right, blood glucose level decreases by the function of insulin. But glucagon, what does it do? It counteracts insulin's function by doing what? By increasing the blood glucose level, increasing the blood glucose level. Alright, so the insulin was decreasing the blood glucose level, so glucagon will be increasing it. So both of them are counteracting each other, and thus the pair of hormones are antagonist in nature. So first option is calcitonin and parathormone. Alright, now when we talk about calcitonin, what is the function of calcitonin? Calcitonin maintains the blood calcium level by decreasing it. So basically calcitonin decreases the blood calcium level, whereas parathormone counteracts it by increasing the blood calcium level. The blood calcium level increases by the function of parathormone. So both of them are antagonist in nature. So this pair of hormones are antagonist in nature. All right, so this is antagonist. The second option is cortisol and insulin. All right, now cortisol, what does it do? Cortisol, by the process of gluconeogenesis, it increases the blood glucose level. So blood glucose level increases by the function of cortisol, whereas insulin, we already looked at insulin. What does it do? It decreases the blood glucose level. So again, these two hormones are counteracting each other, and thus this pair is also a pair of antagonist hormones. All right, now if we look at the third option, we already discussed is insulin and glucagon are examples of antagonist. Why? Because insulin decreases blood glucose level and glucagon increases it. So this is also a pair of antagonist hormones. So obviously the left out option is the fourth option, calcitriol and Colles hormone. So this will be your answer. Now these two hormones are synergistic. Synergistic means both the hormones perform similar functions. All right, that is why they are not antagonist and they are synergistic. Now the Colles hormone, it's similar to the parathyroid hormone. All right, so PTH. Okay, and the calcitriol is an active metabolite of vitamin D. So vitamin D. All right, now what these two hormones perform similar functions, and they both perform the function of promoting calcium reabsorption and absorption, promoting calcium absorption and reabsorption in the body. So this is the function of both the hormones, and since they perform similar function, they are synergistic. All right, so they are not antagonistic, that they do not counteract each other. Therefore this is the synergistic, and they are the not the antagonistic one. So our correct option is option D, that is calcitriol and Colles hormone. All right, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.